Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. It's Mother Eagle here. And I wanted to thank all the new members, all the existing members. Thank you for being part of this community. Keep helping each other. Share your questions if you have any. Share encouragement if you need, there's someone out there who always needs a little encouragement to get to the next level. So today my title is your faith will be tested, and I was reminded from the verse that says you'll be tested for the genuineness of your faith. Sometimes you go in cycles, right? Something maybe you had worked on a while ago, for example, maybe anger. You think you overcame your anger, then a situation happens whereby you're tested to see if you actually overcame your anger, or if you are a people pleaser and you start to create boundaries. Things, life, situations, opportunities will come to test if you actually can stand your ground and have boundaries. These cycles are normal. These cycles will happen to all of us. Hi, welcome. Tell us where you're watching from. So as soon as you decide to make up your mind to do something, your faith will be tested. It's part of human nature. It's part of life. It's a way to see whether you actually mean what you said you mean or you will do what you said you will do. Because if supposing you say you're growing your patience muscle, right? How will you know how far you've gone unless a situation comes into your life that will require you to practice your patience and will require you to see how big your patience meter is, right? So as you're going through life, as you're working on certain things in your personal development, whether it's anger, relationship, finishing projects, be aware that every so often an opportunity to test where you are will show up. And that's your time to stand up, not to give in, to stand your ground, because you'll get stronger. The higher you go, the more tests that will come. But don't give up, because you will be very strong at that point. So you will go through all these tests pretty nicely. Some of them will come and you won't even realize that it was a test because you'll get so good at it. So my encouragement today is beware. Your faith will be tested and you're born to win. Greatness is in you. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it. Everything in life is designed to support you. It's designed to support you, but you gotta know it and you have to believe it. No one is going to help you believe. No one is going to help you believe that the vision God has dropped in your mind or your heart, it's only you. And it's okay to take baby steps. It's okay to fall a little bit. That's all okay. Well, as always, it's Mother Eagle. Leave your comment. I would like to hear some of your situations where your faith was tested and you came out as a winner. All right, talk to you soon. Bye, guys.